Hi everybody, Greg Agee here from Pixology Arts with another Photoshop tip. Today I'll be showing you how to edit a name in Photoshop. Now, editing text in Photoshop is actually a fairly simple process with lots of options for adjusting the text, spacing, size, and color. Now, as you can see here, I already have some text on the screen, so we'll go ahead and edit that. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is go up to the window menu at the top and click on the word character. Now, this brings up the character palette, which gives you the ability to access all the attributes necessary for editing text or type. If I wanted to edit individual parts of the text, I would click on the Type tool, which looks like the letter T in the Tools palette. But in this case, I'm strictly going to be using the character palette because it gives me a lot more options and allows me to affect the text as a whole as long as I have the text layers selected. Now, I want to make the name Windswept look a little bit bigger and bolder, so I'll start by making sure the text layer is selected. Once I've done that, the first thing I want to do is change the font to something more suitable for the image. Next, I'm going to increase the size of the text to 45 points. And now I want to change the color of the text by clicking on the color box, and I'll change it to a nice orange color. Then click OK. Now, I still want to give the name one more final little flair, so I'll check the italics option, and then we're done. And now I've edited the text the way I want it, simply by using the character palette. This has been Greg Agee from Pixology Arts with another Photoshop tip on how to edit a name in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.